It's easy to get started with Stukent. You can create a new course in just a few simple steps. To begin, log into your Stukent instructor account. From the home page, navigate to the left sidebar, scroll down, and click Add Course. When the new course page opens, type the name of your course into the Course Name box. We recommend that you use the same course name for your Stukent course and the course in your LMS, which improves the student experience and keeps your active courses organized. If you're creating a course for testing purposes, you may want to indicate that in the course name. Include a word like sandbox, instructor testing, or demonstration course. Next, select your institution. This information should auto-populate based on your Stukent account or your email account. But if you need to change the name of the institution, click the pencil icon under School and then type the name of the school into the search box. Next, select your institution from the drop-down list. Under Starting Date, enter the day your course starts from your LMS, and then select a school type. Finally, you'll need to set a payment type. You have several options to choose from. Student paid means students will purchase their course materials from your bookstore or from inside the Stukent platform. Click Access Code to allow students to purchase access codes from your bookstore, or click Student Paid to allow students to pay for their materials with a credit or debit card. In many cases, instructors will enable both options. Scholarship students may need to pay for their Stukent materials with access codes from the bookstore. Program Paid is an option for institutions who have opted into Stukent's All Access Pass, which allows your school to build a custom suite of resources for their students. If you select Program Paid, your Customer Success Manager will verify and approve your course. Once you're finished, click Save and Continue. Next, select your course materials from the product library. Use the tabs to navigate the materials or type the courseware or internship title into the search bar to find exactly what you need. Once you've located your materials, click Add Product, and then click Create Course. Your new course will appear in the left sidebar under Active Courses. And once that's done, you're all set. If you click your new course in Home, you'll be able to see your materials, your student enrollments, your assistance enrollments, and your course settings. If you need more assistance, please reach out to the Stukent support team. We're here to help you get back to the business of teaching.